prepare store ledger control account from the following. Now, what is the information which has been given? From that information, you have to prepare a store ledger control account. Now, see, store ledger control account, it is made for the material. ठीक है, ये इसमें हम क्या रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, सारे मटेरियल ट्रांजैक्शंस हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे स्टोर लेजर कंट्रोल अकाउंट में. नाउ ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज गिवन, सो ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑब्वियसली store ledger account opening balance will be debited, so it will go in the debit side. So what we will do, we will read and we will accordingly start posting as well. So everyone just prepare a ledger account. Prepare a ledger account. Give the heading store ledger control account. Debit credit particulars rupees, particulars rupees. Now opening balance is given, so it will be recorded in the debit side. So to balance brought down 65,000 rupees. Next is purchases. 3,40,000. What will be the entry for the purchases if the material is purchased? Store ledger account debit to जनरल लेजर. हम कैश नहीं लिखते, हम इसके बदले में क्या लिखते हैं, जनरल लेजर एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट, और यू राइट डाउन कॉस्ट कंट्रोल अकाउंट्स. सो टू जनरल लेजर एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट, or you can write down cost ledger control account. Any of the name will do. 3,40,000. Next is transfer from WIP. अभी store ledger है, मतलब debit what comes in WIP से ये आ रहा है, so it will be recorded in the debit side. So to WIP control account, 1,70,000. It will be debited. Next one is issue to WIP, मतलब it is going out. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Stores is a real account, so credit what goes out. So issue हुआ है तो credit होगा, और कहाँ पर issue हुआ है, it is issued to WIP. So journal entry will be WIP account debit to store ledger control account. So in store ledger by WIP control account. $3,40,000. Next is issued to repairs and maintenance. Again आप क्या कर रहे हो, यहाँ पर issue कर रहे हो, so again the material is going out, so credit में आएगा to repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance is nothing but it is an overheads. So directly हमें ये नहीं पता कि ये कहाँ पर, तो directly हम क्या लिखेंगे, by overheads control account. $50,000. So they has given us the information. 5 informations दी थी हमने, वो क्या कर दिया, we have just posted in the account. Now we need to close the account. See, debit का total is how much? 5,75,000. Credit का it is 3,90,000. So you will be getting the balancing figure on the credit side. So first write down debit total on both the sides, 5,75,000. So 5,75,000 minus 3,90,000, because the total of the credit side was 3,90,000. So got a balancing figure of 1,85,000. So by balance, I've just highlighted it with the red, just कि आपको पता चलेगा कि ये हमारा क्या है, बैलेंसिंग फिगर है.